Riches, Elijah Galas, Inigo Pascual, Christian Bables, together with Direct Victor Villanueva. Hello, Direct, please. Batiin natin at invite natin ang lahat po to watch.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming here and I'm very thrilled to show this film to you kasi kung gusto nyo ng good vibes, manood kayo ng Dark Riches. So manood kayo tomorrow, June 24 in SM Cinemas.
Yes, thank you so much. Of course, Elijah Galas.
Hello everybody. Thank you so much for joining us tonight sa premiere night namin. Ang gusto lang namin, you guys have a good time. So sana mag-enjoy kayo tonight. Help us spread the word about this film. We put a lot of effort and hard work into this. And happy Pride, everyone! Thank you again.
Thank you, Elijah. Of course, we have Inigo Pascual.
Happy Pride Month sa ating lahat. Siyempre gusto magpasalamat sa lahat ng dito ngayong gabi. Pinaghirapan namin itong pelikula na sana magustuhan nyo at sumaya lang lahat. And yun lang, spread the word and maraming salamat po.
Yes, and of course, the multi-awarded actor, Christian Bables.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you po sa pagdalo sa napakahalagang gabi po sa aming lahat. Christers, maraming salamat. I love you. Thank you everyone po sa lahat ng mga nandito. Thank you. Happy Pride.
Hello po, Miss Kay and Sir Benji. Please, batiin po natin at invite natin ang lahat to watch Tracks to Riches.
Hello po sa ating Genesis! Pelikula namin. Di ba nakikinig?
Sisters, ayan. Film of its own. It's also here. Para ang support ng ating mga gutom ka na, Alicia. Mrs. Tan, I love the outfit. Talagang lumilitaw sa pink carpet. Boy Knox, Boy Ben, Benji Paras, and Ray Rosas. Supreme Deja. Of course, kasama natin yung Dragon Sisters. Na sina Benito, Business Sam, and Karen. Oh! At ako po si Jay Gonzaga. At syempre po, dito kami para supportahan yung mga kaibigan natin na part ng Drugs to Riches. At yung po, good vibes. Yes, sabi nyo na mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat, Jay. Salamat po. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. And now, Ayan, gusto niyo sa mga chikahan? Of course, chikahan natin si my friend. Ayan,
Ako si Cool.
thank you so much, Empire, for showing up and showing us ang Star Wars and pumapasok sa stars. Okay, we will get to interview them at tapos makilala natin ang Star Wars artist. Ayan. Hello, hello guys.
Mama Lloyd, our day. Ano na alas ka mo? Hello po. Nice meet you person. Surprise ka na.
Siyempre, kasama rin natin ngayon, Kobe Bryant! Hello si Kobe!
Hi, Sir Tope.
Again, sa mga nag-picture ko, please do not forget to use your official hashtags, hashtag Drugs to Riches, hashtag DTR, Pink Carpet Premiere, and hashtag Cornerstone Studios. Magmariling. Kobe, hello!
Excited to watch tonight.
Saan ka pinaka-excited?
Excited ako sa performance ni... actually, sa lahat kasi I really look up to them. Si Elijah, si Kuya Christian, and si Enigo.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. And excited na rin ako for you.
Yes.
Congratulations sa lahat ng ganap.
Ay, maraming
Oo,
salamat.
at ayan, palakpakan natin, Kobe Bryant!
Thank you so much.
Thank you again. Enjoy the film. See you. See you. Maraming salamat. Ano ba yun?
Si Miss Al. Naiyak ka pa.
Ayan, to all the shareholders. Those who are applause and see Pagiging nga, nakakaroon ng person show. Okay. Hindi ka na lang din masusa.
Nagabla. Ano daw name mo? Sabi ng friend.